That's a hike only lake, huh?
Oh yeah. That's why a lot of people aren't here, because it's
Canoes and stuff, just hiking down
and
this
there's
hill.
a spot down here on the bottom where everybody would put their boats.
Nice.
Then they would just leave them there.
Oh, and like, what do you mean leave them? Like, and come back to them?
Yeah.
If they come regularly?
I mean,
Okay.
some of them they'll lock them up to the trees.
And leave them, and then come back the next weekend?
Yeah, or come back in next year or
Wow.
whatever. But some of them, at least back 20 years ago, some of them weren't locked up, and you just grab one and go and freaking fish, and then come back.
Put it back.
There was this guy named Pat Haynes in town, and he said, I did that very thing, and some guy started hollering, "Hey, give me my damn boat!"
Yeah.
What are the chances of that?
Oh, that is the creek. Oh, that's awesome looking. It's actually got a lot of water in it right now. Huh.
Look at all those trees dying.
Yeah. So it's usually a lot, you said a lot more
More water.
lake back here.
Yep.
So that'd all be underwater down there?
Yeah.
All that flat, nice area down there would be underwater, huh?
For the most part, yeah. From what I remember from 20 years ago, yeah.
Dang. So this is the switchbacks.
Yep.
So it's
Makes it easier.
not as steep as that other one is. Because this is what, a good 600-foot drop in altitude to go from up where we're parked down to that lake?
Oh, yeah.
Bear Canyon Lake. This is pretty cool right here. Probably not 500 feet. It's probably more like 250 or something elevation change.
Now you catching any sharks? No sharks, huh? Nothing? You just got here? You drive to them and that's where everybody goes.
Oh, I got a nice little canoe over there.
I got some kayakers out there.
Yeah. Well, I'm still waiting for them to get up here. That's the way we went down, the switchbacks. I just came up the steep way all the way down from that lake. I haven't made it up in probably like a minute, maybe a little less. Way out of breath when I got up here. But I've been waiting 2 or 3 minutes now since I've gotten up here. I can't even see them, so I definitely took the hard way, but it's the direct way, just up. So these switchbacks go back and forth a few times. There they are, way back there. Way back there, yeah. They're taking forever. Looks like I caught my breath now. Whew, I was kind of worried there for a second. We're at 7,000 foot altitude. Maybe a little higher at this spot, I'm not sure. A little less oxygen density right here. Yeah, I just completed my first week of the new job in the office. So I haven't been climbing any ladders or anything. So this was it. Chop chop! Huh? I've been waiting like 3 minutes. See if I can screw up some squirrels. See how stupid these dumb squirrels are. Watch. You're going to die. Here's one.
Oh, here.
Time for a squirrel to die.
Maybe they're not.
Bunch of dum-dums. See, that's what you throw a piece of bread, get them all confused.
Oh, no, that'd be stupid.
Yes.
Look at all the ones down there by the water. There's a bunch of them coming.
Because people probably always feed them here. By the cabins.
Oh, look at them fighting. Ooh, antelope.
You should hear the noise I make when I shoot them.